In warehouse and manufacturing facilities, maintaining reliable Wi-Fi is often a headache. Wi-Fi is affected by constant physical changes within your facility, stock moving in and out, and people always on the go. At Redway Networks, we accurately measure Wi-Fi coverage in the live environment by conducting a non-disruptive technical Wi-Fi survey. Our engineers use specialist planning tools to simulate different physical layouts and design a highly optimized Wi-Fi infrastructure. This ensures that your workforce and digital systems receive a consistent and reliable service across your site, even when moving between locations, removing costly interruptions and increasing productivity. Get in touch. We'll be happy to discuss any issues you're currently facing and deliver a strong, reliable Wi-Fi network that's fit for purpose.